Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to disable direct messages preview on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now you have to click on notifications here. You can see here direct messages option. If it is being disabled, you can see if the direct message option is turned on, direct message preview is disabled. In this way, by turning direct message off, then this option will be disabled on your account. Thank you so much. In this way you can disable this. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.